So hey everybody, I'm going to be doing a bleach test with the Nadula hair. This is an Amazon vendor, and this is their Brazilian body wave hair in a 20-inch. And I'm going to be doing a bleach test on this hair to actually see how well this hair will lift. This is an extra bundle that I had out of an order I placed, which had 4 bundles in it. So I had 2 20s and 2 22s with a closure, and I just wanted to do a bleach test on one of the bundles that I'm not using, because I want to be sure that this hair is it doesn't have any synthetic fibers in it. And usually when you bleach hair, the synthetic fibers will not bleach. So I want to go ahead and test this out. So this is also just going to be a review pretty much on if you can bleach this hair or not. And this is supposed to be 100% virgin hair. The texture is gorgeous. It's a normal body wave texture. And I just want you guys to see that it is a normal body wave texture. And it's actually really, really pretty. It has some like orange and gray hair in it, so I'm assuming that this hair is not processed. So I'm going to be doing that today. Okay guys, so this is the hair. As you guys can see, it's laid out, it's not tangled. Everything about this hair is normal. So I just have a paper bowl that I'm going to be using. I have 40 volume developer that I'm going to be using as well, and then my bleach, my BW2 powder, which is pretty much my go-to powder when bleaching hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And I'm just going to actually move my chair out of the way. So I'm gonna take about 2 scoops of the bleach, because again, this is just a bleach test and I really don't want to waste any product because I won't be using this bundle. But I want to be sure that this hair is 100% virgin, since they claim that it is virgin hair. And then with the 40 volume developer, it's definitely gonna give me the maximum lift that I'm looking for. And because I don't process my hair with heat, I definitely think that the 40 volume developer is going to give us the results we want, because we wanna be sure that this hair can take some bleach. Okay, so I pretty much have it at the consistency that I want, which is this right here. So I want it to still be thick and not watery, but I still want it to be able to get all the strands of hair, just so we can make sure that all the strands bleach. And I won't be going all the way up to the top. I'm going to basically put this to how an ombre would look. And I just want to be sure that the strands are covered. And this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just doing a test on the hair. But I still want to be sure that the strands are covered, just so we can make sure that this does not have any type of synthetic fibers in it. And usually when hair is virgin, you will see it start to turn like right away. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but it's already starting to turn right up in here. So I'm gonna zoom in just so you guys can maybe see that a little bit better. So the hair has already started to turn and get a little bit lighter in some areas. Most likely it's the areas that were that orangey brown color already. And I'm just gonna put some more bleach on top just to make sure everything is covered really good. Okay, and so now I'm just going to cover this up. So I'm just gonna fold the foil. And I'm gonna let this process for about 20 to 30 minutes because I'm not using heat. And we're gonna come back and make sure that this is processing. So yeah. Okay, everybody, so it's been about 10 minutes and I just wanted to check the process of the hair. And so far, all of the hair is basically bleaching. So I'm gonna give it a few more minutes just to even out. But for the most part, all of the hair is lifting. It looks good. It is like a brownish color so far, but again, it's only been 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit a little longer. I'm gonna put some more bleach on top just to even everything out that I can see is maybe wasn't covered at the time when I put the bleach on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So yeah, so I'm definitely happy to report that this hair is human hair. It is lifting. It's only been 10 minutes and so far it's already lifted to like a light brown color. So I'm just putting a little bit more product on it and I'm going to close it back up and let it process 20 more minutes. So it will be, it's 10:33. I'm gonna let it process to about 10:50 and then we'll see if this hair lifts any more than what it already is, because some hair will only lift to like an orange color and so far this is lifting brown, which is definitely a positive sign for me, because if it's lifting orange, that means maybe this hair had some color on top. But because it's lifting brown, I'm pretty confident that this hair does not have color on top. So let's just keep processing and we'll see. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. All of the hair strands bleached. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see it too. For the most part, it came out pretty good. All of the hair bleached, all the strands bleached. I don't see any strands that did not take to the bleach, which is also a really good sign. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this hair. And as for the bleaching test, I do give this a, I wanna say a B, for like on an A to F scale. I give this hair like a B when it comes to bleaching. Because I did not process this hair with heat, I think it definitely lifted pretty well without using the heat processing technique that you can do with the bleach. And also the hair is still in really good condition. I don't see it like fried or frazzled or anything, and this has been processing for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and see exactly what it's looking like after it's been washed. Okay, so I went ahead and washed it, and this is the color that it came out to be, which I don't think is actually that bad. I do see some blonde tones. There are some brown tones. It definitely, when it bleached, it gave me like a highlight effect. And I don't know how well you guys can see that, but the hair is still in really good condition. It's not fried. It's not frazzled or anything. Like, it's still in really good condition, which is why I don't really like to use heat when I'm bleaching hair. However, I do feel like the heat would have lifted this hair more. So it's all about preference really, but for me, I could definitely just let this air dry and then bleach it again if I want to take it lighter. So that definitely lets me know that this hair can be bleached, just because I definitely see some blonde tones in this hair already. And for the most part, it lifted really, really well without using heat. So again, it's all about preference. If you guys want to use heat to process this hair, I say go for it. If you are like me and just let it sit for a while, then I definitely think you will need to do about 2 sessions of bleaching to lift it to like a blonde if you need it to be blonde. So yeah, so that is my bleach test. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will lift this up so you guys can actually see me. So yeah, so that was the bleach test. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about this hair, please let me know. I will be doing a review of the hair by itself, and I'm gonna grab the wig because I've already constructed it. I just didn't bleach the hair, so I wanted to do this bleach test. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig that I constructed. And so this is the wig that I constructed with their hair already. And as you guys can see, this is the regular texture of the hair and the regular color. So yeah, so this wig has already been constructed, and I will be doing a styling video because I want to add some waves to this just to give it a more defined look. And yeah, I'll be trying it on and everything, so I'll see you guys in my next video.